Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique dental hygiene solution that's been trusted for centuries, the Sewak Al-Falah Miswak. If you're looking for a natural alternative to conventional toothbrushes, this might just be your best bet. The Sewak Al-Falah Miswak is not your typical toothbrush. It's made from the miswak tree, known for its natural dental benefits. This isn't just about brushing. It's about embracing an ancient tradition of oral care that's eco-friendly and effective. What sets this apart? First, it's all natural, derived from miswak tree leaves. The soft bristles ensure a gentle yet thorough clean, without harming your gums or enamel. And here's the kicker: it's biodegradable, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Using the Sewak Al-Falah Miswak isn't just about hygiene. It's a holistic experience. Its natural antibacterial properties promote healthier gums and fresher breath. Plus, with proper care, each miswak stick can last for months, making it not only effective but also cost-efficient. Compared to traditional toothbrushes and even other eco-friendly options, the miswak stands out. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a standout choice for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint without compromising on dental care. Customers rave about its benefits. From improved oral health to a more natural approach to dental care. The Sewak Al-Falah Miswak has garnered praise for its simplicity and effectiveness. In conclusion, if you're ready to embrace a natural, sustainable dental care routine, the Sewak Al-Falah Miswak is your go-to choice. Whether you're familiar with miswak or trying it for the first time, its benefits speak for themselves. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.